Friends, while dealing with the law of torts, I told you regarding the exceptions which cannot be a tort. A little correction. I told you the example of a Haryana-based woman, girl, who filed a case of tort against her parents that her parents were asking her not to use the cell phone and to learn cooking and also to learn driving, with which she says that her rights have been infringed. And at that time the court said, yes, it has got parental authority and it is not a tort. Likewise, you may be knowing the very famous pop singer Britney Spears of USA. She has filed case against her own father, Jamie Spears, stating that her father is actually he may be relieved of the conservatorship because he has been harassing her. So she cannot wear the dress she likes. She cannot speak to the person she likes. She cannot sing the song she likes. If she is not willing, she cannot stop giving the performances. So this is the story. Therefore, she wants to come out from the conservatorship of her father, Jamie Spears. Of course, the government has allotted, USA court has also allotted another advocate by name Montgomery to assist Britney Spears. Why all this happened and what is the legal position, let us know. Please remember, in the state of California, there is an act called as Lanterman-Patrice Act. Lanterman-Patrice Act 1967. They call it as LPS. So normally, if the people who are medically not fit, who are outburst, people who are not who cannot manage themselves, they can be placed under the conservatorship, that is guardianship. So normally this should be done only by the orders of the court only. Normally this is available for the welfare of persons with mental disorders and suicidal tendencies. Right. So in 2008, actually this woman, Britney Spears, she is a very popular singer. Suddenly she broke out in 2008. While singing, she broke out and they came to know that she is mentally not well. Therefore, the court appointed her father as the conservator. Right. In 2008 itself, her father Jamie was named as the conservator. Right. When she suffered a public breakdown. But now she wants to be free. Therefore, she filed a case against her father. But friends, remember, it is not that easy to come out of the conservatorship. Lot of inquiries have to be done. Lot of investigation has to be done. Therefore, the court did not agree. Right? So, during the month of July, I think, the father filed a petition for an investigation into the allegations of his daughter, because he is not interfering in her financial matters. Only the personal matters also. Only the other advocate, Montgomery, she is interfering in her personal matters. Because she is mentally not well, they ask her to take the medicine at the proper time. So they ask her not to speak with the so-called boyfriend, all these things. Because in relation or keeping in view of the safety of the woman, Britney Spears only they are doing. So therefore, he wanted to conduct an inquiry or investigation in this regard. Of course, previously in 2020 itself, Britney Spears filed a case against her father. So, to be replaced, and there is a trust called a Bessemer Trust which is looking after her financial matters. So, Bessemer Trust has now gone back, stating that due to some reasons, due to change in circumstances, we don't want to maintain her estate. So, why? Now, because in the words of Britney Spears, she says, I just want my life back. So she alleged that she has been forced to work against her will and actually use birth control measures also. Already she has got 2 children, she is a divorcee, but now she wants to get children through her boyfriend, which father does not like. And she was blocked from seeing some friends. So her friends' numbers were also blocked. And from speaking to the press also. So she says the laws should change. So I don't feel I can have a free life. but her attorney did not file the so-called termination papers. So when the court asked where are the termination papers, she says she is sorry. Of course, that's why VIPs or celebrities, they don't know the provisions law correctly. But anyway, her father, so Jamie, he has controlled her financial and family matters so far. Now, the Jodie Montgomery, the second advocate, she wants to go away. But now, the court is not willing to immediately shift them. The court has to conduct some inquiry. So let us know what will happen. So conservatorship or guardianship in USA is not that easy to go away. Here in India, we can, with the stroke of a pen, you can get rid of the guardianship. But here, it is in America, it is very, very difficult. Because, of course, allegations are also serious. Forced labor, then forced medical treatment and therapy, improper medical care, and limiting the personal rights. But of course, an inquiry has to be conducted, then only things will set right. So this is a case, of course, relating to USA, particularly a celebrity by name Britney Spears. The act is called as LPS, Lanterman-Patrice Act. That is our Guardianship and Wards Act, like this. Right? So please, if you find time, hear the news item, see the news item in the Guardian paper and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you.